In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived tasks in ClickUp. Sometimes you archive a task to keep your workspace clean, and then later realize you need to find it again. The good news is, ClickUp makes this pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through a simple process you can follow every time you need to bring an archived task back into view. First, open your ClickUp workspace and go to the top of the screen where you normally see the search bar. That bar is your main starting point for finding anything in ClickUp. You can either click directly into the search bar with your mouse or use a quick keyboard shortcut. If you prefer shortcuts, just press the S key on your keyboard. That will instantly open the search field, which can save you a bit of time if you search often. Once the search bar is active, the next step is to apply a filter so you're only seeing archived items. Look inside or next to the search bar for the filter icon. It usually looks like a small funnel. Click on that funnel icon to open the filtering options. Filters are important here because by default, ClickUp tends to prioritize active tasks, and archived ones may not show up unless you specifically ask for them. When the filter options open, look for a setting related to status or task visibility. In that list, you should see an option labeled Archived or something very similar. Click on the Archived option to turn it on. This tells ClickUp that you only want to see tasks that have been archived instead of mixing them with your active work. After you've selected the archived filter, your search results will update to show archived tasks. At this point, you have two ways to find what you need. If you remember part of the task name, the assignee, or a keyword from the description, start typing that into the search bar. ClickUp will narrow down the results as you type, making it easier to pinpoint a specific task. If you don't remember exact details, you can simply browse through the list of archived tasks that appears. Take your time scrolling through the results, and when you find the task you are looking for, you can open it to review the details or take any next steps you need. That's all there is to it. Open Search, apply the filter, select Archived, and then search or browse through your archived tasks.